morning from Animal Kingdom Lodge. We are just checking out, but I wanted to give you a quick room tour and show you in the daytime what it looks like. When you first walk in, so we're in 4034. There's an adjoining room, but we're not going to be using that. Over here, you have a full-size closet. Oh, thank God they have a steamer. I love when they have the steamer here. Because some of the Disney hotels only have the iron, so that is perfect. They do have a safe, and we have extra pillow and blanket here, so definitely nice. You could hang your clothes, some of them in here. And then over here, we do have a Keurig machine. I love the little Savannah from Lion King touches in the background. Yeah, they give you a bunch of K-cups with tea and regular and decaf coffee, creamer, and some cups. So you don't have to worry if you do not get the mug. And in here is your mini fridge. So as you could see, we have brought milk and Lunchables we already put in there. So this is a beverage cooler. I have yet to stay in a Disney hotel that is not a beverage cooler. So basically, that milk is gonna go bad by the morning. It's not gonna be good for long. And then we have a luggage rack here, so we could put our luggage. And to your left, you have a full-size mirror. This actually is like a barn door that slides to close the bathroom. Now, in the bathroom, there is a double sink vanity, and they have given us lotion and a shower cap, mouthwash vanity kit, and some washcloths. Kind of weird because here I feel like it's kind of like wasted space here. There's like nothing really here, but you could still put your like toiletry bag or whatnot. And they give you a hair dryer. And here is, if you watch any of my other vlogs, you know that I'm a fan of the glass shower doors. I think it's just so much better than those curtains. And one thing I just noticed is that it looks like we are transitioning away from the formerly known as H2O products. So it looks like they're still the same formula, but they have rebranded and almost looks like they painted. But yeah, very nice. I love that they have the glass shower doors in here. And they have some towel racks here and here. So it looks like we have room for 4. And we have extra towels and toilet paper, stuff like that. So this came with 2 queen-size beds, and both of the beds. Both of the beds have this overhead lighting. So. Okay, Mama. All right. So the dresser has 6 drawers, so they're not too deep, but at least you could pack some of your possessions in there. Right here. So we have 2, 4. I think 2 on each side, right? Yeah, there is 2 on each side. So there's 4 regular outlets and then 4 USBs here on this thing under the TV. So we have welcome, her famous welcome sign. That's my family. All right, look at this. Very cool.
What's that? What's that?
That's Emma coming. Animal Kingdom. Mommy, this is Animal Kingdom. Mommy, this is Animal Kingdom.
Yes, look at the beds. Very cool, right?
This is good.
I like the molding here. It's very cool. Very nice. Yeah, very similar to Wilderness Lodge if you've ever stayed there, but this is more like make it African. Oh, one thing I wanted to point out is that all the beds, they're kind of converting to all these like lofted beds so you can put your luggage for more storage, get room out of there. So that's great. So we booked a resort view, but we were able to get like a pretty nice view actually. We have the view of the hot tub and the pool. And yeah, we got lucky that we're on like a corner for the most part, so we were able to have a better view. You could hear the flamingos down there. So it looks like we have a view. So again, our room is 4034. We have a view of the hot tub and the pool. So this is actually, we really looked out with a nice view. Definitely very cool. So Jose and I are gonna have to enjoy this on the little balcony tonight and have a glass of wine out here. Very nice.
Look at the kid.
Yeah. All right, so I think that's gonna about do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please give this video a like. It really does help to support the channel. Stick around, subscribe, see all of our Disney adventures and other adventures along the way. And we will see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
I've been all around the world, every city.